My baby left and he ain't got a word to say. I guess it ain't his day, not his day today.
Hey guys, it's Layla. Welcome back to the channel, and today I am bringing you guys my super simple, laid back, chill makeup face look situation. Okay, I have moisturized my face, and to moisturize my face I use my Rana facial serum from Wild Seed Botanicals, and I use this as my daily facial treatment slash moisturizer, morning and evening. I am just going to prime my eyebrows using my Urban Decay eyebrow primer potion. It's not eyebrow primer potion, it's eyeshadow primer potion. But I've literally been using this on my eyebrows since I discovered it when I was like 20 years old. And guys, I don't do shiny eyebrows. I really don't like shiny eyebrows. I prefer my eyebrows to be matte. Now, I don't have the best eyebrows in the world, okay? In fact, they just grow crazy. For all the hair I have on my body, not even like on my head, on my body, because I'm naturally very hairy, especially like my arms are hairy. You would think, you know, that some of that hair would have gone to my eyebrows, but it's okay, you know, can't be too greedy. I wouldn't have minded if I had some luscious eyebrows, but we're gonna work with what we have, okay? So I'm just gonna fill those in.
Baby, you look the part. I love that he lies to me, 'cause he always lies to me. Singing.
Alright, so I'm just gonna take some concealer on my angled brush, and I'm just gonna make like a weird, oh my god, no she didn't kind of face. Okay, and I'm just gonna clean it up. Yeah, this eyebrow is a little bit crazy, so it does need a little bit more help than the other one. Okay, and then I just give it a little bit of that. So then I'm gonna go in with my Nars Radiance Tinted Moisturizer, which looks like this, and I am actually the shade Seychelles, which is medium dark 2. When they say a drop in the ocean, this is literally what they mean, okay? So that's how much I'm going to use for my whole face. Like, that's literally it. So I'm just gonna tap that in a few areas, okay? Just to evenly distribute it. And then I'm just going to go in with the top side, which is slightly fluffier. Don't ask me what brush this is. I picked it up in Primark on sale for like 50p. Okay, but I really like it. And then I'm just going to brush my face with it. We're literally going for second skin and nothing more. No more, no less than second skin, okay?
But he's magnificent, honestly. I wish you could see all the things that I see, 'cause it's all in his smile, it's all in the way.
And I'm just going to dab that.
When we're riding in his car, he whispers.
That's it. I'm going to put a little bit here, because I'm just going to do a really simple eye, but it'll look even better if it has a nice base. So just that. Taking my favorite 50p brush, I'm gonna go in firstly with like the firmer side or half, and then I will blend it out with the more fluffy side. So I'm just gonna go in and tap it into the skin. As you can see, it really just like sinks all the way in. Do my eyebrow area or my eyelids, and then I just literally go in and tap until I can tap no more. And you kind of can see it. I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty matchstick in Truffle. I am going to go in right here, creating some shadow.
Honestly, when we're riding in this car, he whispers, baby, you look the part. I love that he lies to me.
Then I'm just going to take my contouring brush by Real Techniques. Actually, it says buffering brush, and I'm just going to buff away.
He's got me singing.
Just like that. I'm just going to take a little bit of setting powder.
You know that he died for me, cried for me, lied to me. Why do these people think that I see differently? You know that I died for him, cried for him, lied to him. Why do these people think that he sees differently?
I'm also going to set my eyebrows. Yes, girl. Anti-shine patrol, okay? And then I'm just gonna set the bridge of my nose, even though there's nothing there. I just like to do this, okay? It's all part of the ritual. So I'm first gonna go in with this color right here for my transition color. As you can see, I use it a lot. It's like my favorite everyday go-to eye look. And just blend it out as much as I can. Unfortunately, I've actually put too much on the brush because I was a little bit excited. But that's okay. Excitement is good. You know, it's all part of life, isn't it?
I guess it ain't his day, not his day today. But he's magnificent, honestly.
So for the lid color, I'm gonna go in with this one right here. And it's just like a caramelly type brown, okay? I'm using fingers, okay? And I'm just gonna dab that on. Using the same palette, I'm gonna go in with this dark brown right here, and then we're just gonna place it right there. Then I'm just gonna go back in with the brush that I used for the transition color, and I'm just gonna place that on top. Just to bring that warmth back in the eye. I'm just gonna dust that all over my face just to bring everything together, like really lightly. I'm just gonna do this and pick up any excess powder that is still left. Go in with some bronzer.
And he died for me. Honestly, when we're riding in his car, he whispers, baby, you look the part. I love that he lies to me.
So I'm going to apply my favorite go-to everyday lip. Like, this is the lip I wear all the time, and it is the NYX lip liner in Hot Cocoa. And then I top it off with my NYX soft matte lip cream in Abu Dhabi. So to finish off, sometimes I will add a little bit of the whatever I use to highlight my face, or whatever I use to like bronze my face. Just a little bit of shimmer, and I will dab it on my nosy poo. Yes guys, my nosy poo, okay? And just hit that bridge just a little bit, you know. I'm not trying to be a beacon of light. And then I'm just gonna go over my edges just to make sure that everything is blended in. And that is me all done. I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. If you have, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And of course, if you are not subscribed, be sure to subscribe, okay, for more videos. And guys, do let me know what your thoughts are on this makeup look. I know it's to me it's simple and like I hardly used anything, but for some people it might be a lot. So obviously like bear that in mind. But yeah, I'd love to know your thoughts on the look. And as you know, I haven't filmed a makeup tutorial in like 3 years, so do let me know what you thought of it, and if you have any pointers for me, any feedback, anything you'd like me to do differently in the next makeup look video, do let me know. If you would like me to not talk, let me know. If you just want voiceover, or if you just want some nice music and just me doing it, let me know. So yeah, I will catch you guys in my next video.
It's all in his smile, it's all in the way he dies for me. He died for me. Honestly, when we're riding in his car, he whispers, honey, you're a star. And I love that he lies to me, 'cause he always lies to me. Sing